Hi everyone. If you've ever wanted a pool table at home, but you don't have the space, the patience, or the budget for a full permanent setup, this is the kind of table that makes you stop and think, okay, maybe this could actually work. Today I'm talking about the GoSports 7-foot portable pool table, and I've been using it as an at-home table for casual games, practice, and just having something fun to do without needing to go out to a bar or pool hall. And right away, I'll say this. You have to understand what this table is and what it isn't. This is not a professional slate table. It's not meant to compete with a high-end 9-foot pool hall setup. But if you want something that feels closer to a bar-style table, gives you real games at home, and can still fold up when needed, this table makes a lot of sense. The first thing that stood out to me was the size. I had looked at smaller portable tables before, especially 6-foot ones, but I always felt like they were just a little too small. The 7-foot version feels much more natural if you're used to playing on bar tables. It still fits better in a home space than a full-size table, but it doesn't feel like a toy. When you're standing over a shot, lining up a bank, or trying to clear a few balls, it feels like actual pool instead of a miniature version of it. Setup was one of the easiest parts of the whole experience. There really isn't traditional assembly. Once it's out of the box, you place it where you want it, unfold the legs, lock the legs into position, adjust the feet to level it, and you're basically ready to play. That sounds simple, and it really is, but getting it out of the box is definitely a two-person job. The table is portable in the sense that it folds and can be moved, but it still has real weight to it. That's actually a good thing once it's in place, because the weight helps it feel stable. But don't expect to casually carry it around by yourself. Once the table is set up, the biggest surprise is how sturdy it feels. I was honestly expecting some wobble, because folding tables usually make me nervous. I thought leaning into shots might shift the table or make it feel cheap, but that hasn't been my experience. With the leg locks in place, it feels solid. Even when leaning over for a shot, it doesn't feel like it's moving around underneath you. The underside doesn't necessarily look like something that should be as stable as it is, but once you actually play on it, it feels much more secure than expected. The playing surface is also better than I thought it would be for a portable non-slate table. The balls roll pretty true in most normal shots, and the rails have a nice bounce to them. Bank shots are actually enjoyable, which matters a lot because some cheaper tables have dead rails that make the whole game feel off. The cushions respond well enough that you can practice angles and play regular games without constantly blaming the table. If you're thinking about getting one, I actually found a pretty good price on this. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. I went with the blue felt, and visually I think it looks really good. It gives the table a clean, fun look without feeling too flashy. From what I've seen, the table comes in colors like blue, red, and black, though I do wish there were a traditional green option too. That's not a major complaint, just more of a personal preference, because green is what most people picture when they think of a classic pool table. The accessories are a mixed bag, but overall, you do get what you need to start playing right away. The balls are better than expected. They feel good, roll well, and don't feel like cheap toy balls. The rack is also perfectly usable, and the brush and chalk do the job. The included cues, though, are probably the weakest part of the package. They look fine at first glance, but they're light, and depending on what you get, they may not feel very straight or very solid. For casual play with kids or guests, they're okay, but if you actually care about improving, or you're used to a decent cue, you'll probably want to buy a better one. As for the felt, it plays a little slower than some pool hall tables, though that can depend on the table and how much it has been used. Mine was very playable right away, but it doesn't have that high-end slate tablecloth feel. You do need to be a bit careful with it. Hard miscues, dragging a Q-tip, or rough play can leave marks or burns faster than you might expect. So if this table is going to be used by kids or a lot of people who don't play carefully, I'd expect the surface to show wear over time. Leveling is important too. The adjustable feet help a lot, especially if your floor isn't perfect. In a basement, front room, garage, or patio, the floor can make a big difference. I had to spend a little time tweaking the feet, but once I got it leveled, it played much better. That adjustability is one of the reasons the table feels more useful in real homes where the floor is not always perfectly flat. One thing I really appreciate is that the table doesn't waste a lot of money trying to look like a big furniture-style table. It's simple, sturdy, and focused more on the playing surface and rails. That makes it a good fit for someone who wants function first. It's attractive enough to leave set up in a game room or basement, but it's also practical enough that if you need the space back, you can fold it and move it with help. There are a few minor things I'd keep in mind. First, inspect it carefully when it arrives, because this is a heavy item and cosmetic damage can happen during delivery. Don't expect perfection around every edge like you would from an expensive slate table. You may notice small quirks, especially near the rails or with the felt over time. Third, if you're a serious tournament level player, this won't replace a true professional setup. But for practice, family games, and casual competitive nights at home, it does a very good job.